you change your mind? Would you like to come inside? You guys are snowy. Sit. Sheik. Oh.
You want some peanut butter? No? Alright, that's fine. I won't give it to you. Oh. Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? Alright. We get started. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
A beautiful consistency of this.
Wait, I'm here! I'm here! Did my Uber just drive off? I'm gonna be late for my flight. Oh, man!
I love you.